Hi guys, welcome back to Tech and Vibes, and I'm really so excited to share this amazing topic with you. Today we're actually going to teach you how to use your phone to scan your documents and convert them to PDF in different ways. It's actually an amazing topic and I'm really super excited because it was being requested by our subscribers and we listened to our subscriber. That's why you need to be part of this channel and subscribe using the subscribe button. So we are doing this for them because they requested for this topic and we're so excited to do this. Imagine you being at your home, you just use your phone to scan your documents, your certificate, your CV or whatever it is, and you go and you really don't need to bother that you want to buy a scanner or a scanner device or whatever device you can use to scan your documents. But you can do this at the comfort of your home with your phone and you can convert it to PDF or other format and do whatever you want to do with it. That's what's up. So I can't wait to get started and let's see how it goes. So see you at the other side. I'll be right back.
Hi guys, so finally we're getting started. So the first thing you're actually going to need to get started is make sure you have a good device. That means you have a good phone. So when you have a good phone, then you are actually one step ahead of everything, because if you have a good camera, or your phone just have a good camera, then you just use your camera to actually snap the document. That's what you need. The first thing, you don't even need to download something around like a simple scanner or anything. Once you have a good phone that have a good camera, and that's it. So the second thing you're actually going to need is Google Docs. So you just go to Play Store and download Google Docs, or if you're using an iPhone, just go to Apple Store and download Google Docs. It's the same thing, the same shape, the same function. So just head straight to your Apple Store and download Google Docs, or your using your iPhone or any Apple devices. So because this is Google Docs, is actually Google Document and it's an app built by Google, so you could actually use this app to convert your stuff to PDF. Google Docs is actually something similar to Microsoft Word, and it's just a written document that you can actually use to write all your documents, and you can share it real time with people, your friends. They can edit at the same time with you, and you can convert it to and send it to PDF, and whatever thing you want to do, you can share it using your Gmail account and everything. So Google Documents is an amazing app, trust me, and you really want to try using it. So those are the two compulsory things you need to do. So let's get started as I give you the walkthrough. So next thing is we download Google Docs. So I already have it, so you go to Play Store. If you don't have it, go to Play Store and search Google Docs. Search Docs or Google Docs. You will see Google Docs, and you download. It will be an install here. You will install it. So I already have it, so I don't need to install again. Though after installation, then I go back to where it will appear in your menu, phone menu. So the next thing you need to do is you just need to snap your phone now. So you need to snap a document now using your camera. So this is my camera. I'll click on my camera. So I click on my camera. So assuming this is a document I'm snapping, and I will just snap the document. So I snap the document, it goes to my gallery. So because I have a good phone or good camera, for your phone don't have to be too big or have to be a very big phone or something. You just need to have a good camera phone and you use it to snap, and that's it. So when you snap your phone and you snap the document, you go to your gallery where the pictures will be located. Gallery. So you go to camera. So when you go to camera, you click on the document. So when you click on the document, you come here and click on the on your edit button, your document. This edit button, you edit it. You click on it to edit the document so that the document can look good. So you will just move it like this. Move the document around. Make sure it really fits into what you want to do. So you just move the document like this, and you see when it's actually good enough for what you want, and then you just need to click on save here. You click on save. So you click on save, and that's the document. So you already have your document now clear in your document. So this is the scan document, very clear, and you can see You can see that it's very clear, and it's just like a certificate you have or whatever. This is the same way you can snap your CV or every other document you want to use. So when you do that, then you go straight to your Google document and click on your document. When you open your document, you click on this button down here. You click on it. There is a plus button here to just add some document. So when you click on it to add, it will come out. You tell you to choose new document. You pick on new document. So when you pick on new document, it will open. It's just normal, like you open normal document. So you open, then you come to this space bar. You click on it. So when you click on this plus sign, then you click on image. That means you want to add your document. You want to add the picture you snapped. Then you click on image. Then you pick from your picture. You pick from your picture or from your camera, whatever where it is. So it will come out. You show you the most recent pictures that you snapped. So the document we just edited by closing the stuff. It will come out. This is the document. You see all that ones that I've snapped. So you click on this. So you click on it. So you see your document is already there. So that's it. So you click on this button to save it. So it's saving the document. You can change the name of the document. So once the document is saved, make sure there's internet on your phone because it works with internet. This document works with internet, and it can work offline too if you have used it before. So then you come to this menu bar. Now you click on the 3 dots menu bar, and you click on share and export. So you see share and export. After clicking on share and export, you see save as. You click on save as. So when you click on save as, you see different ones that you want to pick. .text, .zip, but PDF is what we're interested in. You click on PDF, then you click on OK. You click on OK. It says saving as PDF. Do you understand? So it's saving as PDF. So you can see. So you have your document already converted, like scanned in form of like it's scanned, and it's already in PDF format, and you can download it. You can click on this button to download it. So it's so simple. To ask you to click on Chrome, and it will come here and download your stuff. So you see the document is being downloaded. It's as good as that. So that's basically the major thing you need to do, and you already have your document. So you can click on open your document. And click open using your PDF in your phone to see the scanned document you have by using your phone. So you can see your document clearly. You can see. So that's how you do. And it's kind of, you can add more document inside that document. So let's assume you want to add more document inside the document. You go to the document, you go to your Google Docs, you click on that title, the stuff you're working on, you click on edit button. You see the edit button, so I just click on now. Then after clicking on edit button, you can just come back to the plus. Then when you come to the plus, you click on image. When you click on image, you pick from the photos again. Then you can pick any other pictures in addition to the initial picture you have. So it's so simple, it's so direct. You can pick again. You can see now I have two of that picture to document. If I have another picture, I can pick it and add it to it. So, and so same way, I'll click on this button to save, and when I save, I'll come back to this menu bar, which is 3 dots. I click on it, and I'll click on share export. So if you don't want to save it, you just want to share it to somebody, you can share it directly to somebody by clicking on this share button in PDF form. So when you click on that share button, you can just know wherever you want to share it to. You can add the person's email address, you can type email's address, the person can see it, you can do any other thing you actually want to do around it. So that's another way, and you can just send it, the person will see it. So it's really different things to use. So you can click on different things, you can play around it, you can check whatever aspect you are actually trying to understand in this sharing aspect and export aspect. And then if you want to say, let's say you want to send the document, you just don't want to even download it on your phone, you just want to share it to somebody directly on WhatsApp, you say send a copy. You click on send a copy. When you click on send a copy, pick PDF and click OK. it will go to the persons, it will bring out all the apps you want to share, maybe Facebook or so whatever place you want to share it. You can share. You can click on WhatsApp file and you just share it to whatever person you want to share it to. That's it. You click on send. So that's it. Moving on, back to the document. If you see untitled document, if you want to change the name of the document, just come here, click on the title, untitled. You can double click on it and click and type CV or whatever thing, or CV or document or whatever things you actually want to do, and click on OK. You see the name of the document we change immediately. So you have your document. So thanks for watching, and so that's a walkthrough on how to use your phone to scan your document and convert it to PDF.
This is another massive exciting topic, and I'm really excited to get this done for you guys, because imagine you just at a comfortable home, use your phone, scan your documents. You don't need to bother to go to computer center or buy a scanner device to actually scan your documents, and you can just get this done at the comfort of your home. So this technology made easy, and I'm so excited to share this with everyone. And this is what we're doing. We're connecting everyone to technology and making sure you have knowledge to get it done at the ease of your home. Once again, we have come to the end of this video, and I'm really so excited about this again. I hope you're able to learn and enjoy this video. So as usual, make sure you use the subscribe button, like, comment, and share the video with your network so that a lot of people can learn from this. And I'm really excited to do more of this video for you too. So if you actually wanted to learn something new that we have not shared with you before, or you can request, just like you do in this video. Someone requested, a lot of people request for you, and we actually making it for them. So make sure you do the same thing in the comment section, or reach out to us, and we'll be glad to make a video for you. And that's what's up. So I can't wait to see you in my next video, and make sure you hit the subscribe button once again.